I commit every single thing that I own to you. It is yours, God. The car on my own, house, the clothes on my back, the food in the cupboard and the fridge, my family, God. Every single thing is yours. So Father, I pray that you will speak and tell me what to do. And let me hear you.
Sell the car. Give the money to the poor and the needy.
Father God, I pray that you will speak with a clear voice. So I can hear.
To sell your car and give the money to the poor.
You said in your word that you use the foolish things, fool things, God, to conform the wise. But God, look at me. In all my years, I've never considered myself to be wise. As a matter of fact, when I was growing up, they called me fool and idiot. And I believe it, God, that I'm a fool idiot. So there's nothing in me that is wise that needs to be conformed. So God, I pray that you will talk to me about what.
First of all, is confound, not conform. And they said, sell the car and give your money to the poor.
Mighty God. God, I pray for healing even right now. For me, yes, them. Because God, I've been hearing some voices. I mean, I'm more certain them contrary. I'm buying about to buying up them voices, yeah?